This is my spy board. It drives, it streams live video, and I can control the whole thing from my phone. If you missed the part 1, here is the short version. I designed the chassis, I 3D print all the parts, I assemble the whole body, mount the motors, and finish all the wiring. So the hardware is ready. The problem is right now it does absolutely nothing. So let's give it a brain. First, I am putting a simple test code into ESP32. Here is the code. You only need to change two things: your Wi-Fi name and your Wi-Fi password. That's it. Everything else stays the same. After uploading the code, it will connect to my Wi-Fi and it will get an IP address. I will type the IP address in my phone browser. Now let's close it off. To attach the top cover with the body, I'm using this 6mm M3 bolts, and this came from JLCMC, who are sponsoring today's video. So JLCMC is your one-stop solution for all mechanical parts that are both high quality and affordable. And here you will find huge range of components like linear motion parts, transmission components, aluminum enclosure and profiles, and fasteners like screw, nut and bolts, and much more. Those nut and bolts I use in this build are from JLCMC, and here is the best part for makers like us. They have got same day shipping on in-stock items plus fully customizable parts at best price. They offer free 3D files to download, so you can drop that part straight into your design before you can even buy. So tired of choosing between cost and quality? That's why I recommend JLCMC. Grab your $123 coupon through the link below. And that's it, the spy boat is fully assembled. And here is moment of truth. Okay, the back LED is blinking, that means it's searching for my Wi-Fi. And there we go, it's connected. And as you can see, the front LEDs are also activated. Now let me open the server on my phone. I kept the controls very basic for now: forward, backward, left and right, and stop option. That's all we need to test it. And as you can see, it's taking every command perfectly without any lag. So let's take it outside. So as you can see, our robot is working perfectly. Now it's time to add the camera function as well. And here I'm using ESP32-P4 kit from Waveshare. A big thanks to them. And this kit is loaded with lot of things like a tiny speaker, a Raspberry Pi camera module, the ESP32-P4 module itself, which is seriously powerful, and a 10-inch display. First, the ESP32-P4 goes on the back of the display. Then I will connect all the connectors like the FFC cable, the power connector, and the Pi camera module with our P4. All the connections are completed, and here I'm using my power bank to power it up. And it's live, it's boot straight away because it comes with preloaded firmware. So here you can see some few apps like calculator, camera, music and all. So let's test the calculator, and as you can see, the toss response is quite good. Now let's test our camera app, and as you can see, it's working perfectly. Now it just can't sit on the top of the robot, so I designed a case for it, and here is what it's look like. And I have printed it on my 3D print. and as you can see the display fit perfectly. Now I have to change one thing, the camera FFC cable. The one in the kit was way too short to reach the front of the robot, so I swap it with this longer one. Before I mount this, I had to make one change to the wiring. I added a buck converter here. This gives me a clean 5 volt and that's what fits to the ESP32-P4. Now the display case goes on top of the body and here I'm using 4 M3 Allen bolts. Then the display goes in and I will tighten it down with screws. And I have assembled all the parts. And as you can see, it's me and the camera is working perfectly. And here I'm using a custom ESP32 based remote that I built. I'm not going to explain the whole thing here because it deserves its own video and that one is coming very soon. But you can see it's working perfectly. So indoor, outdoor, the spy board works really well, but to be honest, I want to upgrade few things. Now tell me in the comment section what I should add to this spy board, what modification do you want to see. I read every comments and if the idea is good, I will actually build in the next version. That's it for today's video. The remote video is coming soon and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe